Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and insights into the world of high-performance machines. Today, we dive into the 2025 BMW K1600, a grand touring motorcycle that combines luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology to deliver an exceptional riding experience. The 2025 BMW K1600 continues to uphold its legacy as one of the most refined touring motorcycles in the industry. It is powered by a 1,649cc inline-six engine that produces an impressive amount of horsepower and torque, ensuring smooth and effortless acceleration. This engine is not just about power, it is also known for its silky smooth performance, allowing riders to cruise at high speeds with minimal vibrations. The advanced electronic fuel injection system ensures optimal fuel efficiency while maintaining top-tier performance, making long rides more economical and enjoyable. BMW has equipped the K1600 with an advanced suspension system that includes the dual-lever front and paralever rear setup, providing superior stability and control. This setup allows for precise handling even when riding with a passenger or carrying luggage. The dynamic electronic suspension adjustment system adapts to various road conditions, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride no matter the terrain. Additionally, the braking system features high-performance ABS Pro, offering excellent stopping power and enhanced safety in various riding conditions. When it comes to features, the 2025 BMW K1600 does not disappoint. The motorcycle boasts a large 10.25-inch TFT display that offers an intuitive interface with navigation, connectivity options, and real-time bike diagnostics. Riders can seamlessly integrate their smartphones via Bluetooth, allowing for hands-free calls, music streaming, and access to essential apps. The state-of-the-art audio system ensures crystal-clear sound quality, making long-distance rides even more enjoyable. Another standout feature is the adaptive LED headlight system, which adjusts to different riding angles and provides excellent visibility in low-light conditions. This system not only enhances safety but also adds a touch of sophistication to the bike's overall design. Comfort is a top priority on the 2025 BMW K1600, with an ergonomically designed seat that provides ample support for long rides. The seat heating system ensures comfort in colder climates, while the adjustable windscreen allows riders to customize their riding experience based on weather conditions. The bike also features keyless ignition, making it more convenient for riders to start their journey without fumbling for keys. The luggage compartments are spacious and well integrated, offering ample storage for riders who love to travel long distances. In terms of styling, the 2025 BMW K1600 exudes a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. The aerodynamic fairing, sleek body lines, and premium paint finish make it a head-turner on the road. The new color options and customizable trims give riders the freedom to personalize their motorcycle according to their preferences. With meticulous attention to detail, BMW ensures that every component of the K1600 reflects a sense of luxury and performance. Riders will appreciate the advanced rider assistance systems, including traction control, cruise control, and multiple riding modes tailored to different road conditions. The hill start control feature makes it easier to start the bike on inclines, while the intelligent emergency call system adds an extra layer of safety in case of unexpected incidents. The overall engineering of the bike ensures a perfect balance between power and comfort, making it one of the best choices for riders seeking a high-end touring motorcycle. The 2025 BMW K1600 is a motorcycle designed for those who demand the best in performance, luxury, and technology. It is a machine that caters to both seasoned touring riders and those looking for an upgrade to a more premium riding experience. With a perfect mix of power, features, and comfort, it stands out as one of the best motorcycles in the touring segment. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in the world of motorcycles, make sure to subscribe to Motorsports Mania for more exciting content. Stay tuned for more reviews, features, and updates on the latest machines hitting the roads. Let me know if you need any modifications or additional details in the note.